Bellwork 11B. I'm going to help get you started on each of these problems, but I'm not going to do a whole lot with you because this is the third assignment on solving systems of equations using elimination. So by now you should be able to do these on your own, but I will help you get started. So let's first look at number 1. Ask yourself your questions. Do you have opposites? No. Do you have identical terms? No. Do you have multiples? Well, is 3 divisible by 2? No, that would give you a decimal, so 3 is not a multiple of 2. Is 18 divisible by 6? Yes, it is. 18 divided by 6 is 3. Therefore, we have multiples, and 18 is a multiple of 6. So we're going to use the 6 and the 18, and we have multiples. When you have multiples, you want to multiply the equation that has the smaller term. So looking at what I have highlighted, which equation has the smaller term? The top equation. So let's put a parentheses around the top equation. And to figure out what we multiply by, we take the opposite of the larger term. So I need to take the opposite of positive 18, so that would be negative 18. And I'm going to divide by the smaller term, which is negative 6. So it's what we need divided by what we have. Negative 18 divided by negative 6 is positive 3. So we're going to multiply the top equation by positive 3. So that's all the farther I'm going to go on number 1. The bottom equation will stay 3x plus 18y equals negative 36. You need to multiply the top equation by 3. Don't forget to multiply all 3 terms. Multiply 2x times 3, negative 6y times 3, and 30 times 3. I will tell you that this will require the second step. So once you solve for x, you'll plug that in to the equation that I've written here, and you will get a final answer of x equals and y equals. Again, that's all the farther I'm going to help you on number 1. Number 2, again, ask yourself your questions. Do you have opposites? No. Do you have identical terms? No. Do you have multiples? Well, 16 divided by 8 is 2, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. So actually, they're both multiples. I'm going to use the smaller numbers, 4 and 2. All right, so we have multiples again. So, which equation has the smaller term? The bottom one does. I need to take the opposite of the larger numbers. The opposite of negative 4 is positive 4. And then divide it by the smaller term, which is negative 2. 4 divided by negative 2 is negative 2. So I took what I needed, which was I need a positive 4, and divided it by what I have, which is negative 2. So I'm going to multiply the bottom equation by negative 2. So the top equation will stay 16x minus 4y equals negative 8. And we're going to multiply the bottom equation by negative 2. So negative 2 times 8x is negative 16x. Negative 2 times negative 2y is positive 4y. Negative 2 times negative 4 is positive 8. And that is all the farther I'm going to help you on number 2. That's all the farther I'm going to help you on number 2. You're going to need to figure out the final answer for yourself. All right, so if you have any questions on problems 1 or 2, please let me know.